What's the hardest thing about this heat?
Me cock. It's sticking to me thigh like a bloody tub of PVA glue.
So how are you coping with the heat wave this summer?
Well, my knob still stinks of cheese, but it's no different to any other day, really.
Right. What's your secret to staying young?
A stiff drink, a younger bloke, and the occasional slap on the arse.
What do you miss most about being young?
Getting bent like a pretzel and still walking the next day. I shan't be using a wheelchair anytime soon, that's for sure.